See, this is how they are carrying beds from one place to the other. I don't know how this pillion is sitting, man. He does not have any place. Damn it. That Splendor is being put under a lot of pressure. I'm actually riding my dad's Activa because I've given my bike for service today. And so I wanted to go somewhere and I had to go. So I've taken my dad's Activa. So yeah guys, yesterday I had been to Bahubali 2 movie. In Telugu version there were no English subtitles or anything. To be honest here, I do not understand Telugu completely because I know only a couple of words where I can relate to and make some sense out of it. But the whole point of the movie is that you go and watch the acting of the actors and understand as to what the scene really is. Here and there I couldn't really understand some of the things. But most of the time I could understand Bahubali 2 and man, that was one hell of a movie. Bahubali 1 I did not like it so much because it was way too much graphics and very less story is what I felt. But Bahubali 2 is where they improvised a lot. It's very good quality story and I would ask you to go and watch the movie now. No matter which language you want to watch it in, please watch it. There are a lot of values which is taught in that and I loved it to the core. Thug life eagles, dude. Sometimes eagles are badass, man. You don't know how they will react when they want food and you get in their way. I guess some engagement shoot or something is happening. This is something very new, man. Couples nowadays have some of the weirdest fantasies, I'll tell you. And that zombie is going in between. Oh man. In closed spaces like this, Mojo sounds really loud actually. See that? Everyone will be aware that some bike is coming. So some of the Bangaloreans who have moved out of Malleshwaram to different places or different states in India or outside of India for educational purposes or business or something, they sometimes keep texting me on YouTube and ask me to show Malleshwaram because they miss their house. So I guess this is dedicated to all the subscribers who have been here before, you know. On my left here is the Malleshwaram flower market. This is one of the most famous places in Bangalore. You know, if there is a traditional occasion or something, you should come here to experience how many people actually come over here, you know, to buy flowers and all those things. This is one of the beautiful places in Bangalore. To see how many trees. Idiot. Why do these people even own cars, man? They drive like idiots. I don't know, they're driving in the middle of the road and blocking us. I like to blip my throttle on this new DB Killers, dude. This sounds so good. I don't know in the video if it's captured or not. Most of the time it's not, but it's really awesome to ride it. See that? It's like shooting a bullet or something. So this is Majestic, and it's called Majestic because it is one of the, you know, busiest place in Bangalore. From this place itself, all the local bus transport start. all the major interstate buses and everything start from here itself. You have the railway station on the opposite side, and so as you see here, the number of buses which are coming out here, I guess more than 3 to 4 lakh people go through this place almost every day. So that's why it's called Majestic. It was planned with a vision that it will grow this big, and it certainly did. It's been over a year that I've come to Malleshwaram, and I was not aware of this building and everything now. I guess this is this will be one of the tallest buildings in Malleshwaram or something. And this is Mantri Mall actually. What happened was this mall was shut down because the roof from the 4th floor or something fell down, and it was shut down for having architectural issues. Now it seems to be opened again, and you see the canopy and everything here now. You will find a lot of temples, oldest temples of Bangalore here. And there is a place called Central Tiffin Room where you get the best masala dosas in Bangalore. That is my favorite place actually here. After maybe close to 1.5 years, I'm spotting a mojo in my routine direction. This thing started now. It has started raining in Bangalore now on a regular basis, and as you can see, the weather has completely changed. The Bangalore is now in AC mode, at least in the mornings, and that sunrise there, it's looking awesome. Look at that. In few places the drainage system is not really that good, hence there will be water clogging, and of course because of that traffic jams for sure. At least before the rainy season started, they have repaired this lake and they have cleared it up, and I hope to see it being beautiful again. As you see there, all these corporate office cabs, they don't go over those water puddles and all, so that because they cannot dirty their car intentionally at least, and so they make way for two-wheelers like us. When you're not prepared for an off-road and suddenly Bangalore decides to give you one, that is what happens. The car guy in front of me is riding like an idiot. He is just pushing the car around, and I wasn't sure if I have to go right or left, and suddenly I see that there is some broken road also. Man, this tree has come into this part now. I guess they are cleaning up the drainage here or something, or expanding the road, whatever. At first I was like, why is he keeping both his foot down and riding like that? Then I realized he has kept his laptop bag and everything in the footrest. Hey, hi dude. That is Dhanush actually, that is my friend. We used to go on long rides, but now because of the weather we did not go anywhere. Hegide guru? Huh? Aramo. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಹೌದು, ಜೂನ್ ಇಂದನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. I have done some amazing rides with him, man. We have done Kolli Hills together, and we have gone to Gandikota. All these rides, they are amazing, and he is one of the silent persons that you can meet. He'll just enjoy the ride. He'll talk very limited. That is very good. Unlike me, I keep chattering something, but he's not like that. He just listens to what you have to say and he keeps quiet. and he ended up buying a Mojo because during the Gandikota ride we exchanged our rides, and after that he went and bought a Mojo as well. So occasionally he uses Mojo and occasionally he uses Bullet as well.